Alright, here's the result of the box break here for box number 897941125, the Crown Royal eBay user King Curry. This happened a few minutes ago. I found out who the Zach Bonestein was. It was for the Atlanta Thrashers. It shows you on the Panini website here. It's actually numbered out of 50. Congratulations to the Atlanta Thrashers. And the Rolston, he's going to go to Tampa Bay since he plays for the Tampa Bay Lightning now. And put everybody's who didn't get anything, they'll get their shipping back. Here's the list of all the teams that didn't have a hit in here in this break. I'm going to randomize it 5 times, see who gets a little bonus at the end. There we go. There's number 1. Number 2. 3rd time. 4th time. And 5th time is the Minnesota Wild. So whoever had the Minnesota Wild will be getting the refund of the bid for the Minnesota Wild and the shipping back. Well, Dallas Stars, I had I believe a base card from the last Crown Royal box break. I'll throw that in with the other stuff there that you got. I think you got 2 James Neals, yeah. And I'll get that out to everybody. Have a good night.